Free Bitcoin earning is one of the best and smartest way from any corner of the world on a computer or a mobile phone without any types of knowledge or experience. In this video, I want to share how you will get paid for a Bitcoin earning easily from any corner of the world. So step by step, watch this video. This website is called www.hey. This is make money online. In every single day I upload a video to teach you how to make money online. If you are first time in my channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here, and please share more and more with your friends and family members. Or on the other hand, if you want to get such types of videos, please comment on my comment box. So let's get started. Right, this is the first website. I think Litecoinmine.ltd is a website. I think it's a trusted website. So first of all, you have to read all the criteria from this website. I mean, first interface. Create an account and you will get 200 ZAs oblique S for free. This one are users and this one are hash power and LTC points over here, and you can confirm your LTC amount from this account easily as I share with you step by step. So watch this video. First of all, you have to create your account, then you can deposit on this particular website. These are the common scenarios to deposit your amount of money on this Litecoinmine.ltd from any corner of the world. So first of all, you have to click on this register button over here and provide all the informations. I think if you come to this interface, you have to provide your LTC wallet. Where you will get your LTC wallet. Now I would like to share. If you don't have any Coinbase account, just search about Coinbase on Google and you will get this account on Coinbase.com, because if you click on this home button, you will get lots of wallet over here like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Litcoin as a Stellar, Lumens, and Zcash over here. So first of all, you can use this one like Litcoin over here. If you don't have any account on this Coinbase, just provide your email address, username, password, and get started on Coinbase account to use any types of wallet from here. So just click on this wallet over here, and then you have to click on this receipt, and this is the address of Litcoin. I mean, so just paste over here and then provide your email address, password over here. Just click on this register button over here, and then after completing all the works, you will get this amazing feature. I think the mining has been started on my brand new account. This one is my Litecoin mining. So you can start your journey on this Litecoinmine.ltd for ensuring free Bitcoin from any corner of the world. So after coming here, you have to read all the criteria. If you want to deposit any amount of money over here, just click on this deposit button over here, and then these are the common scenario. Deposit with BTC, you have to deposit this one 50,000 Satoshi. I mean with on this first option. Second option is LTC, I mean zero point 0.1 LTC, and this one is BCA point, and this one is Dogecoin, and this one is Ethereum coin, this one is perfect money coin, and this one is another deposit with payer. So you can use this one. If you want to deposit over here, just click on this deposit button, $0.015, and you have to provide your Ethereum email address over here. This one is my Ethereum email address. Then this is the easiest way to connect your deposit amount of money over here. That's it. You can also use any types of or other options to deposit your amount of money over here. And how you will withdraw your amount of money from this website easily, just click on this withdrawal button and then just provide your balance over here. And after ensuring the amount of money, I mean 100 lakh Litecoin amount of money, you can withdraw from this. So just provide your Litecoin email address, Litecoin address from here. And how you will get this Litcoin email, Litcoin address, just come to this Coinbase account, just copy this one from here and provide this one. I have provided this one, and just click on this request amount of money, and you will get paid from here. So you need a 0.01 LTC to make withdraw. And now I would like to show 0.01 LTC means how many dollar over here. Just come to this Google, and this one you have to write LTC to Bitcoin over here. I would like to share another one, just a past one, and you will get this one 0.06 dollar over here easily. This is the simple amount of money for ensuring extra cash. The more you will deposit amount of money on this particular Litecoinmine.ltd, that you will get more amount of income from this website easily. So first of all, you have to create your account for start mining to ensure your amount of money from here. On the other hand, after ensuring your amount of money, just deposit that amount of money from this website for ensuring more and more dollar from this website. So I could request to watch my previous videos like this free Bitcoin earning, and I cordially request also to watch my next video, how I will withdraw amount of money from this Litcoinmine.ltd. So thanks for watching my videos till then. I cordially request to watch my previous videos. If you want to create your brand new YouTube channel, just click on this playlist button, and all the informations videos are available on my YouTube channel, tips and tricks over here. And on the other hand, there are 115 videos are uploaded on this website. So step by step watch this video. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.